Here we go. Curse to work on a POS Goodman unit. Waiting for it to start. Waiting to hear it go, bah! Ha ha ha! All thy neighbors shall hear me. Static pressure is about 65. You know this thing's gonna be low on charge.
Dad, do you want me to put it on? Did you want her to put it on cooling or let him warm?
Well, just tell her to put it on heat and turn it up. There's some oil down in there already. Leak already.
It's already on heat.
Alright, I think I can see oil right where a wire's rubbing the copper. Typical Goodman. Bah! Ha ha ha! It's the sound of your Goodman unit. Man, that thing sounds choice. Would you say that this is loud? Does our units at home sound like that? That's right. Typical Goodman unit. Bah, bah, bah. And I think I already found the leak in her 5 minutes. Look down in there.